Market seems to be taking a breather this morning, which is good. I mean, you can't have 9, 10 days in a row with the Dow up and never take a breather. That's just not natural. So I don't think we should worry too much about it. You'll find that there are going to be pundits trying to figure out, why did the market fall today? Well, there's no mystery. It's just that it's time for it to fall, and we are way overdue for a correction, even though I can't tell if this is the start of one or not. The economic numbers this week were very good, and that's what supported the market as it went higher. This morning, I saw a headline news article on one of the websites that inflation is out of control, and inflation was up on the CPI 0.7%. Expected to be up 0.6%, but 3/4 of that was because of gasoline prices. So, you take that out, and it's up 2 or 3/10. Well, it's no big deal. But the market, the people who watch the market and write about the market, all that stuff, they need something for headlines, and they'll search for anything, and they'll come up with any excuse to say that this is what caused that. And most of the time, it's not true. Most of the time, it's just what they're doing is trying to get people to watch them and read their articles. Meanwhile, the economy is gathering strength. I mean, you had unemployment claims drop again this week. And that's a weekly number. So you see economy gaining strength, jobs being produced, and that's really what's underlying support for the market, the stock market. One thing that's happened that not too many people are talking about is the dollar's getting stronger. The dollar's getting stronger while the stock market is going up. That's unusual. Usually the dollar getting weaker, the stock market goes up. Not when the dollar gets stronger, the stock market goes up. And the reason for that is because other economies around the world are not looking as good as ours. Now, ours are not all that great, but ours look a lot better than theirs. Meanwhile, it's probably prudent to start taking a little bit of money off the table, but you still have to ride the stock market as far as you can on the upside. Just put your stops in, get ready to get out. There's going to be a correction, and we just have to be very, very cautious. But you got to stay with it for the time being.
The Invest Talk Update is a monthly briefing that gives you a snapshot of the past month's market, along with other useful perspective and information. You'll see important articles like Protecting Your Investments Against Scam Artists, excerpts from Steve's book, links to the month's Invest Talk talking points, plus news of upcoming Invest Talk events in your area. And it comes free each month to your email box. To get your subscription, just go to investtalk.com and click on the icon at the top of the page.